Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make bread pizza in OTG oven. Preheat the OTG to 200 degrees C and line a tray with foil or parchment right away. Toast bread lightly for 3 to 4 minutes to avoid soggy bases. Spread sauce thinly, add cheese evenly, and finish with toppings like pepper, onion, and olives. Bake for 6 to 8 minutes until cheese bubbles and edges crisp. Choose a sauce with balanced acidity and herbs for bright flavor. Thin sauces prevent soggy bread while keeping taste rich and tangy. Layer cheese directly on sauce to bind toppings and create a melty surface. Keep veggie slices thin so they cook through in the short oven time. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of chili flakes if you like extra heat and aroma. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the channel. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep slices fresh and prevent sauce spills in your bag. They stack neatly and save leftovers for a fast snack after work or school. I find them handy for portioning toppings too. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Place the tray on the middle rack for balanced heat distribution. Keep the OTG door closed until the last minute to retain oven temperature. If your oven has hot spots, rotate the tray once midway through baking. Use the grill or top element briefly to brown cheese, watching carefully to prevent burning. Let pizzas rest 1 minute before serving so cheese settles and toppings adhere to the bread.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.